Sit down and open them now if you want.
They're not all found.
Uh-oh. Sounds like... What's in it? Stickers?
Bet you there's one more.
Yeah, good. I like your stickers. What else do you have in there? More stickers. Backpack. Is that who's on the sticker? Oh, you're right. It's... Who is that? Backpack. What else? You're still finding eggs? You can throw the egg down and open another one. Here. Your mommy do it?
Now can we open the egg?
Sure. You want to sit right here and do it? At the table?
Oh, sweet baby.
Ooh. No, we're not going to eat all the candy. Put the candy in your basket. Put it in your basket. Colin thinks candy is free for all here.
Wait. Do you like this, Mommy?
Let me see. A butterfly ponytail. Ooh.
George puzzle?
That Easter Bunny knew you liked things for your hair, huh?